Doctors, Dr. Shakil Akhtar, Dr. Sanjay Kumar Gupta, Dr. Molla Abdul Qasim, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Chatterjee, Dr. Mohammad Nurul Haq, Dr. Vijay Prasad Samantarai, Dr. Sapan Kumar Ghosh, Dr. Tapas Kumar Das, Dr. Hassan Iqbal, Dr. Narayan Mukherjee, Dr. Sheikh Noor Mohammed, and Dr. Wasit Chakrabarti. I would like to first of all thank you all for sparing your valuable time with us. The time of each doctors is very valuable for the society, and it's a privilege for us to organize this program because not only as a Doctor's Day, but this is the birthday of one of the great visionaries. As today morning also I could remember, this is the birthday of one of the great visionaries this state has ever produced. One of the great visionaries, Dr. Md.Shamsuddin Rai, who had done a lot of changes not only in the medical field but also in the whole social, cultural and administrative milieu of West Bengal. It's a great occasion to remember his contributions, and I would also like to thank the team of Watgunj police station